Hello everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be designing a closet for one of the clients we have worked before. He gave me rough measurements, and this is basically what we have. This is a very rough sketch from the client, and that's he explained what all of this means and how the steps. I converted into an AutoCAD drawing, and from AutoCAD drawing now I'm gonna import it into SketchUp to make the 3D elevations, and just wanted to show how the process is going to work. So we have just gonna open up the SketchUp. So I have already, and I'm gonna import the AutoCAD drawing. Yes, I want to save it and go File, Import, and so that's the drawing I want to import. It's going to import a lot of files, basically all the files that I have in this, and this is the one I'm working in. So right now I'm doing the top closet design. So this is the top view, so which is right here. You can switch between the top views and adjust them and work with that. So we go first doing the floor plan, basically tracing my floor plan. Could be also in rectangles. But then we would have to delete the lines, so it's actually easier to go back. Now if we see this is already, it's possible, so I'm gonna just go back. Okay, so we have, so the line, we're gonna start from here. First trace the outside of the closet. And now I can offset this to here, select the center area and delete. Now pull, it's in 96. So I have my floor plan set up. Always make a groups. So that's the closet walls, very quick. And basically I opened up the drawing, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna insert it. Actually, I'm gonna move it all together closer to where my files are for the closets, because I want to just be dragging pieces into here. And I have in my AutoCAD, I have all the description, what needs to go where. So this is 4 drawers and 2 glass doors. Basically, I'm just gonna find a file for drawers. So this section, so I'm gonna copy this and paste it into here, just like that. And I'm just gonna scale it back. So like that. So this is scaled back. And we have 4 drawers. All I'm gonna add here is two glass doors. Just so the software is very smart. It's giving center points, and it's easy to maneuver. Let's say 3-inch rail. Make a group. Copy V. There you go. So we have 4 drawers, 2 glass doors. That's done. And now let's go into the next unit. Is basically, this is just a bank of drawers, and I had this in one of the elevations here that we created before. So that's this file right here. I'm gonna copy this, place it over here, and just gonna again scale it to my required dimensions, and I'm gonna copy this gable, put it at the end. So that goes over here, then this gable goes over here, and just gonna move this and stretch this. There you go. So we have two drawers, and now we also want to have the center point. So that's now I know where to scale these two. This is, so they're equal drawer sizes, and just deleting this line. There you go. So we have the closet and a table. This table is also going back, so I'm supposed to bring it back now to this wall. And so that's a very deep countertop here. Now the second is the shelving unit. This shelving unit I also have set up. So that's going to be here. Copy and paste. I'll take my rotate tool, rotate it. I can also go, because I didn't put the floor, I can go from the bottom and create, put it right in the corner. So that's the shelving unit, and again now I want to scale it to my required dimension, which is here again. So that's going to here, and the next one is 4 drawers and shelves. So that's basically this unit. Copy V. Now I want to rotate it. So it's a bit of a playing around, making sure that this is working. There we go. So this is the unit, that's a much deeper unit, and again now scaling this back to here. Copy V, and I have the same unit that's gonna go right there, right beside it. These are open back closets. So that's that. Now we have these two units, they're done. And so those are the two. Now this is going to be a blind cabinet that opens one door, so that's a blind. Then this is a double door. 4 drawers, this is 4 drawers and shelves. This is double hang, so that's a blind cabinet double hang, which is in one of my options here. So this is designing for the same client. Double hang. So that's this unit over here. This is 24 7/8 inches deep. So I even have the close to give the client the visual, so I can copy that, go back to my drawing, paste it into here. I can then extend this. So they're 2.5 above the floor. And the next unit is double hang as well. So I'm going to just copy again. Okay, just going to place it there, stretch it to where it needs to go. So this gives a visual, client can understand what is happening in here. And now we have the doors on top, 0.75. Make a group, copy V. Now the same thing to this door. So we have two double doors, and then we have a single door in this unit. So we're going to go from here to there and make a group, and then just copy and put a filler. Like that. So there you go. So that's just a blind panel to hide. That's where the door is going to get attached. So we have doors in this pantry. Now we just got to check with the client in terms of elevation. If I wanted to scale it, and this is not exact dimensions, I can scale these back to there, and very easily, if it's just a very visual, not a complicated redesign or a very detailed redesign. This is why sometimes when it's very detailed, AutoCAD is better to use. And this one is shelves, long hang. So that's a 16-inch unit. This is a unit with shelves, which is the same thing we have here. And just a right click, reverse, flip along the group. Nope. Flip along the green. And same thing, scaling it back to something is sticking out here, over right there. There you go. Now this whole group is exactly okay. So I got the shelving unit in. Let's move it a little bit, move it back. Okay, so this is the shelving unit. It's also, I want to scale it forward to here. The same thing. When something is sticking out, it creates a different scaling line. So now there's the shelving unit, and this is the double hang. So I'm just going to find a unit that's 16 inches deep, double hang. Okay, so we have that, it's on the same elevation. Just gonna place it the same and scale it back. Okay, so that's the double hang unit. And then there's the last unit, that's shelves as well. So just gonna copy this and place it in there. And just gonna scale it to the wall. So now we have a visual. This is also a wall, so I can hide this and create this wall. Double click, create another wall here, and escape. So now this is part of that, and just go edit, unhide all, and that gives us okay. So there you go. So now that's a full closet, very understandable, very clear. You can see and have a visual of what's going on. Just need to confirm the height. Usually the closet don't go 9 feet, they go about 7 feet, and then I have a foot of open space on the top, which could be again scaled back. Now we're ready to present the client. It's more understandable than this drawing, obviously, and as well as sometimes clients it's even hard to visualize and understand how this AutoCAD drawing looks in perspective. So we can make 2D elevational drawings out of this, something like that, but when you have a 3D visual, it's much easier to understand and analyze and see where you're going to place things. Are they what you want to have, or this is different, and understand overall your closet layout. So this is how to design a closet in SketchUp using some pre-made forms and pre-made pieces that I already have pre-made before for this client. So this is the same client I'm working with, and this is how we design this closet.